Hey everybody, and welcome to my N5 series on the SP404 Mark II, where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. This is session 6.6, and today I figured we'll go back to some of the pads we have from the original recording and start thinking about making some pad kind of sounds. I kind of like using the resonator again, just for some of these. We'll start there. Just see what sounds interesting. And kind of resample that stuff into, I don't know, pad bank D maybe. And I kind of like these. We got some interesting sounds. We might want to sculpt them some more, but let us start recording into D. Press the pad to start recording. We'll do 5. I'll do maybe 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and then we'll kind of go from there. So that gets us our first one. I'll resample to 2. Man, you got to remember it kicks off your effects that you have turned on after you've resampled. So I'm going to exit out here. Put the resonator back on. Resample to pad 2. Now we want to switch back to bank A. Okay, I guess it's that one. Resample to pad 3. Move to bank A. Yeah, bank A. And I just totally messed that up. Put the resonator back on. We want pad D3. Press pad to start. What are you doing to me? All right, one more try. And this is probably just because I'm trying to think about too many different things here. We want to go to bank A. There we go. Just trying to do too many things at once, apparently. So we will then resample to pad 4, get the resonator on one more time, and go to bank, not F, bank A. So now we have all these pads that kind of have the resonator sound. Might be interesting to see what we get out of. That's pretty cool. That seems playable. Let's resample to pad 9. And again, this is just the noise going through the resonator, then going through this filter and drive that we've got. Just getting some interesting tones. I'll also say, keep going, maybe go through the isolator or other things. I don't think we can... And don't be afraid to move the knobs or anything. So we'll resample to pad 10. Just start playing this. So, let's see what else do we have here that might be interesting. I kind of like some of the stuff that has reverb on them. The problem I have is there's no ability to mix, to have like 100% wet and no dry. So it makes it kind of hard to get, but you're going to have your dry signal always in there. In this case, I don't mind because you can't really hear it. But so let's resample this. We'll get one more after this and start thinking about probably next session I'll start thinking about bass, but what other one might be be fun. Maybe, but stopper, echo, time delay. What else might be neat? That's kind of cool. So we'll resample this and then we'll call it a day. All right, thanks guys. As I said, just keep playing around and see what you can get for sounds and have fun. Bye-bye.